I just think someone's over. I should hide. And you should say, will you go tell me what that was?
Look at it. Oh, she's excited. I already reacted to this, guys, but my mom hit something with her car. Like, I don't even know what happened to her car. But if you look out there, oh my gosh. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Did I do okay?
Where'd you get it from?
I stole it. You said Z71.
Oh, I did say Z71.
We tried to find a black one, but they didn't have a 2000.
White's so beautiful.
I know, but check this out. Towing package.
Towing package. You got a towing package with it?
Yeah.
So it'll be able to take a camper?
Yeah, check this out.
Oh, I gotta drive. Oh, it's so beautiful and white.
And I was like, well, this other dealership offered me. Look at Justin.
I was like wondering where you were, and then you're like, I hit something. I'm like, well, this is what you gotta do now. You gotta get a new car. Might as well get a new car because yours isn't gonna last that much longer. So that's what I was. It's not even mine. I act like it's mine, but like that's crazy though. It's so, oh, I love it in white. Oh,
do you?
yeah.
I was like really worried you weren't gonna like it.
But I just hope you liked it.
I like the black, but I really like the white.
I like the white. That is so.
We gotta go reverse.
Go reverse. We got to reverse, and I'll go slow.
Don't go tearing through the puddle.
It's so weird how it like bends when you turn.
I just don't know how to
on
do
the
it.
back.
Right here, this is your volume.
That's cool though. Easy. What's all this over here? Like all your lights?
Yeah,
what's
that's four-wheel drive.
Four-wheel drive.
And then the top part's the towing.
This is towing right here?
Yeah. And that other top part is your manual brake for towing.
This right here?
Yeah, you squeeze those together and it brakes your trailer.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Show you.